DuoSpan is a unique construction frame designed and engineered by Millboard, combining the strength of aluminium with the design flexibility of recycled plastic. It provides the perfect subframe for millboard decking, as well as a universal support system for other outdoor flooring or framing. Its ingenious design facilitates top-down fixing of decking boards. The DuoSpan 51mm joist is used in height-restricted areas where the build-up under the decking is reduced, such as roof terraces or raised concrete bases. The DuoSpan 51mm is 51mm high by 68mm wide and is supplied in 3.6 metre lengths. The joist comes standard as a mill finish, as can be seen. Generally, the joist is used with the channel part facing upwards, and the channel part is to hold the DuoSpan joist insert. This joist insert is 25mm high, 50mm wide, and is supplied in 3 metre lengths. The reason that we use the joist insert into the top of the DuoSpan joist is so that our Durafix fixings can be used. To fix millboard to the joist insert, our Durafix 45mm screws can be used. The joist insert is specially profiled so that it's easier to get it into the channel, and also when it's in the DuoSpan joist, the parts on the top of this DuoSpan joist clip over the top of the insert to hold it in place, leaving a flush finish. Along with the joist, there are 3 aluminium brackets: a set 90° angle bracket, a straight connector, and a flexible bracket for variable angles. These brackets are designed to sit into the side of the joist, and they're designed to allow you to get the framework flush with each other. The brackets are supplied in boxes of 10, and they come with the correct amount of fixings for the brackets, supplied with 2 extra fixings to allow for wastage. All of the brackets come with the hex head self drillers for fixing into the aluminium. As the flexible brackets can be used in conjunction with Plas-Pro, they're supplied with pan head screws for fixing into Plas-Pro. The self-drilling hex head fixings that we supply are A4 stainless steel, and are used into the aluminium joist. They are coated in a special cathodic barrier coating. The cathodic barrier coating is to limit the galvanic corrosion between stainless steel and the aluminium joist. They are 25mm long and have a 8mm hex head. The pan head fixings are A2 stainless steel and again have the same cathodic barrier coating. These fixings are not self-drillers, so they're to be used into Plas-Pro, and they are available in separate boxes of 100 if needed. They are 25mm long and have a PZ2 head. The other fixings that we supply are the Plas-Pro to DuoSpan fixings. Again, have the cathodic barrier coating. They're supplied in boxes of 100, and they are a 5 by 50mm screw and have a T25 head on them. They're used for fixing the Plas-Pro fascia support into the side of the joist. The other item available to complement the DuoSpan 51mm joist is the Plas-Pro fascia support. The Plas-Pro fascia support is 25mm wide and 100mm high. Plastic profile supplied again in 3 metre lengths. This is used for curved edges of decks, and it is generally fixed to the DuoSpan joist with the flexible bracket, hence why we have the pan head screws supplied in the boxes of the flexible brackets. The Plas-Pro fascia support can also be screwed to the side of the 51mm DuoSpan, which you can fix the fascia to. The Plas-Pro fascia support is fixed to the DuoSpan using the
Plasspro to DuoSpan screws.
The benefits of the system that firstly, the DuoSpan joists are made from aluminium, therefore are pretty much always straight, added to the fact that they won't get affected by temperature like timber or plastic will. The system is structurally stable and has been designed with the help of structural engineers to Eurocodes 1, which is actions on structures. With the 51mm joist, in a residential setting, a 900mm span can be achieved between supports. The grooves in the side of the joist, along with the bracket design, help to get the fixings in the right place and help you to get two profiles aligned and flush. So it's easier to get the subframe right first time. The use of the plastic joist insert inside the DuoSpan joist allows you to fix with the Durafix fixings at pretty much any angle needed to fix the boards down. The addition of the Plasspro support makes construction curves on the deck a lot easier. In relation to the install, the joist can be supported by the DuoLift joist supports if used over a solid, stable base. With the DuoSpan 51mm joist, this needs to be supported by 900mm centres for residential applications and 600mm centres for commercial applications. The joists are inserted into the channel, into the top of the joist cradle, the DuoLift joist cradle. The ring on the DuoLift joist cradle is wound round to get to the correct height, and then a key locking tab is inserted into the DuoLift joist cradle and clicked onto the side of the DuoSpan joist as shown. Any joins between two joists must be supported by the cradle.